Alright, and here is my website. I actually uploaded it to, I had a free domain through Freehostia, so overwrote my family website temporarily just to see how everything looked and worked. I used a template for this from Graphberry called the Pluton theme, and we were looking at that now. So I just modified it a little bit to suit my needs, took out some of the options I didn't need them all. One reason I picked this was it was a bootstrap, and I figured this particular site would need that to look good on mobile devices and various web browsers. It also resizes very nicely. If you were to close this, see how everything just kind of, that's one of the strengths of the bootstrap. Everything stays nice. It is also a one-page template, so things scroll down in one page. So of something new that I wanted to try. So on my page, back to my page, I changed these and then added, or changed the photos and then added my own text, and these all scroll through. That was one problem that, or challenge that I had, was getting the photos to match what I wanted to do and finding ones that fit and had the right color theme. This section here particularly, if we go back to the template, you'll see that these photos here, or graphics, didn't really match my particular service I was providing. So I actually went online, found some photos or graphics, and then used GIMP to edit them to fit in. So to make that look like it meshed and matched was a little bit of a challenge. So if we scroll down, I have some awesome clients here who just love my service. Again, finding photos that matched and looked decent. The pricing, I chose or decided upon the pricing based upon taxi fares in the Omaha area. Tried to stay consistent with that. And down here, this particular contact form actually doesn't point anywhere, so if you do happen to check out the site, you will not actually be able to contact me. Sorry. And I decided to promote this service on Facebook and on Twitter. So if we were to pop the Facebook page, this was another challenge I had. I wasn't really sure what to write on the Facebook page. It's kind of hard when there's no interaction back and forth. So I posted some deals or some reminders. Oops, excuse me. Let's go back to Twitter. Same thing here. I don't have a personal Twitter account, so Twitter was totally new to me. I'm not sure if I still totally understand it. All right, so everything is on this one page, except for when I wanted to schedule. So to schedule a driver, I actually created another page. And this here was from a demo code that I found online that integrated Google Maps. And this is what the code looked like before I modified it to fit into my page. It's just two static text boxes, and when you hit show, it showed a Google map with a straight line distance, which I'm not sure what that would ever be useful for unless you're a bird or something. So I took that, and I had actually quite a bit of challenges trying to get this to work with my CSS template that was provided with the original template, because I kind of wanted the same look and feel across. I also wanted something that was dynamic, so when I started typing in here, it would populate, and I think that would be important because if I'm out at a restaurant or something, I might not know the exact address, so I think it's nice to type in a location. It also acts as a verification that you're typing in an actual address, so the driver can find you and pick you up. So Just random pick here. And then we're going to estimate the cost, and it pops down here. And so you can see I modified the JavaScript behind this ever so slightly to remove that straight line. And I also added in some mileage cost using some simple multiplication. And then my schedule form. And as I said in the slideshow, this is one area where I'm having a hard time typing with one hand. This is one area where I would definitely want to improve this if I were to go live with this. There's absolutely no data validation here at all. There might be data validation on that particular one. I've used through FreeHostia, they had a service that allowed me to build a form, and it was pretty darn ugly. Well, I mean, it's very ugly, but it gave me the code for the back end, and that, oh, this is the time. Let's try to make this real stuff. See, I mean, I can type anything I want in there. I would probably make these have a calendar pop on it, maybe a drop down here. It's just a little out of my skill set to get that to all flow through and work. So obviously when you have payments, you also want to make sure it's valid. So this form here then pops here. And if we were to go into FreeHostia's, they're using a MySQL backend. What was cool for me is I never actually wrote to a live database before, so this was something new. And so I wrote to a table called schedule, and you can see here this was what we just typed in on the form, so it actually wrote to the table. So that's about all. Feel free to go out. I don't know if I'm in, this here would be the website, manahanfam.freehostia.com. Thanks for watching.